Let's just quickly address the flashes at the bottom of your screens when it comes to India, UK, who've signed a defence deal. Reports are indicating that the UK government contract is set to deliver. The UK government has announced a £350 million defence deal with India. To add to this, the UK government contract is set to deliver UK-manufactured lightweight multi-role missiles to the Indian Army. So it's UK who will be delivering all of this to India. In fact, the defense sector is at the day's highest levels. 1.5% up move coming in there. It's a £350 million deal that you're talking about. UK manufactured lightweight multi-role missiles is what they will be delivering to the Indian Army. These are the only two details that we have so far. Apart from that, what they've said is that both leaders have announced the agreement to proceed via government-to-government route on an initial supply of LMM systems. This will actually further support India's defense capabilities and, in the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, meet the current and future requirements of the Indian Ministry of Defense and support a long-term collaboration on complex weapons between the two countries. In fact, what they've also said is that both the Prime Ministers are pleased to the intent to finalize an India-UK intergovernment agreement on cooperation in developing maritime electric propulsion systems for the Indian naval platforms as well. So both of these are what we're looking at from a defense perspective. And they welcomed progress on an arrangement that will see Indian Air Force qualified flying instructors integrated into UK Royal Air Force training, alongside an agreement that will facilitate their strong training and education leadership. So everything and anything that we're talking about is right now with defense, and the sector is at the day's highest levels. Rajesh, anything that comes to your radar? Because this is a sector, any news that comes in, does see good moves. Would you be a momentum buyer of defense?
So I think most of the stocks have attracted buying action in today's, especially in today's session, be it BDL, Mazgaon Dock, HL. I think these all stocks are now showing sign of strength. And looking at the structure for HL, we believe that this stock has potential to surpass its immediate supply zone of 48.65. And once that happen, I think next target towards 49.50, even 5,000 we may see for HL. So here one can look for long side position with stop loss of 47.50. Again, Bharat Dynamics is also showing sign of recovery from the its multiple support area. So if it continues to trade above 1490, I think some pullback action towards 1560, 1580 we may see in the near term perspective. Breakout above 1580 can take this stock further higher to 1640, but till this breakout not happens, I think one can look for 1580 as a near term target. On the downside, 1490 needs to keep as a stop loss.